Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'm gonna show you how to update graphics driver in Windows 11. So if you're into my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials, and if you're looking for a solution in Windows 11 or you have a suggestion for Windows 11, let me know in the comments section. I'm looking for the next tutorial, and if you can give me any ideas, and please leave your ideas, suggestions in the comment section. And now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do, guys, there are two ways, I believe. The first method is, let's say you want to update your Nvidia graphic card. So what you have to do, you need to head over to Nvidia, download drivers. Here you can select your product series, and you can simply search, and then you can update your driver, right? It's very simple, and using nvidia.com. That's if you have Nvidia and AMD. You can head over to amd.com. I'll leave the links of this website in the description of this video, so you don't have to search for yourself. And now you can look for your drivers here as well. Just search by all products. Okay, search your graphic card, submit, and then you can be able to install your graphic card. You can be able to update your graphic card. All right. Now, if you have Intel, same thing. You can go here to intel.com, and here you can search for your driver, and then you can be able to install your driver by clicking on the download button, and that's pretty much it. Very simple. Now, there's another way. You can also go to Windows Update, and I'm not talking about updating your Windows. You can also go to here. You can update your Windows, obviously, but if you click on advanced options and then optional updates, here you're going to be able to see the latest versions updates that are available for you to update your Windows, and they're very important. So please make sure you check the drivers, available driver here, and click on download and install. All right, and that's pretty much how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that, and will really help a lot this my YouTube channel. Thank you, and take care.